If your Todoist sidebar feels cluttered and you want a cleaner way to see everything you own in one place, this video is going to help a lot. Today I'm showing you how to view all sub-projects in Todoist side by side, so you can quickly understand which projects are parent projects and which ones are nested underneath them. This is a simple trick, but it can make your workspace much easier to manage, especially if you have a lot of projects. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Todoist tips and productivity guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Todoist and take a look at your sidebar on the left side of the screen. You'll usually see your projects listed there, but when the list gets long, it can be hard to tell which ones are top-level projects and which ones are sub-projects. That's where this method comes in. At the top of your project section, look for the My Projects header. This is the key part of the sidebar that organizes your project structure. Click on My Projects once, and Todoist will load a dedicated dashboard. On this screen, you'll be able to see every single folder or project you own displayed in one place. The layout makes it much easier to compare them side by side without constantly expanding and collapsing folders in the sidebar. As soon as the page loads, look closely at the indentation. Todoist uses indentation to show hierarchy, so any project that appears slightly indented is a sub-project. Any project aligned at the main level is a parent project. This makes it very easy to scan your full structure at a glance. If you manage clients, school tasks, personal goals, or team workflows, this view can save you a lot of time because you no longer have to guess where each project belongs. You can quickly identify how everything is organized, spot nested projects, and clean up your workspace if needed. This view is especially helpful when you're reorganizing projects or checking whether a sub-project is in the right place. Instead of opening one folder after another, you get a full overview right away. That means less clicking, less confusion, and a much better workflow. So the whole process is really simple. Open Todoist, click the My Projects header in the sidebar, and review the dashboard that appears. From there, you can immediately see all parent projects and sub-projects clearly displayed together. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick software tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.